Yo, what's going on, buddy? What's up? Hope that you are having a good time. It's Raphael here, the founder of the Genius Trading Masterclass course. And yeah, you probably see this video right now because you are interested in what's going on behind the scenes. You want to know what we do, how we make money, and how we generate five-figure incomes as a side hustle with 1 to 3 hours of work per day without risking our own capital. And yeah, I know it might sound too good to be true, but it is true. And I will show you what's possible if you are dedicated and willing to put the work into it to master this skill set. But if you're not disciplined, then just get the fuck out of here, all right? Don't waste our time. I can't help you. But if you are disciplined, then you got everything you need to make it happen, and you're at the right place right now, okay? So let's get straight into it. Let me go quickly over the course curriculum of the Genius Trading Masterclass course. This course is perfect for you, even if you're a complete beginner who has no idea about trading at this moment, okay? We're going to start from scratch. And if you are an advanced trader who is just looking for a working trading strategy, then you will find everything you need inside this course as well. This course is made for everybody who wants to learn how we milk these markets the genius way, all right? So, we start with the basics, of course, where you will learn the foundations of trading, or the basic terminology, which is essential if you're a complete beginner, of course. And as I said, we start from scratch. So you will learn how to use the trading platforms, and we're going to find out which markets fit perfectly for your time schedule. And yeah, then in the next chapter, you will learn how to read candlesticks, because we are playing a candlestick game, and you need to know how to read the story of the market, because each candle represents the fight between buyers and sellers, and we need to know what that means to use it to our advantage. And yeah, after that, you will learn the different kinds of entry patterns within price action that you can use to build your first trading strategy. And yeah, then in the next chapter, you will learn more about some basic indicators that you can use as a confluence for your trading strategy as well. And yeah, I will show you a trend continuation strategy and a counter trend strategy based on the Fibonacci indicators, which you can later on combine with one of my money management systems called the Rich Split, which will skyrocket your profits like crazy. And yeah, you will be able to catch awesome risk to reward ratios that will grow your account pretty quick. And I'm sure this combination will blow your mind. I started trading when I was 16 years old, when I was still in school. And for the first 4 years, I was just struggling for real. Like, I've tried everything, and I was making it so complex, and it didn't work out. Trading had to be easy. And at the moment when it clicked, everything changed for me. Everything changed, man. Because if you know compound interest, and if you know that you got a consistent strategy and you're going to grow your account consistently over time, then your positions get bigger and bigger. So your profits get bigger and bigger. And yeah, compound interest will grow your account exponentially. But this only works out if you manage your risk from the percentage perspective. You need to know how to calculate your position size to always have the same percentage risk on every trade you take to make this exponential growth possible. So the risk you take per trade should always be a fixed percentage of your account balance so that your position size grows with your account and with your profits. So that's why I will show you in the next chapter how to do it the easy way. You will learn how to do it the easy way. I'm going to share a tool with you that will do all this calculation instantly for you, so you don't have to be a math genius. And yeah, then in the next section, you will learn about all the ingredients that you need for a proper trading plan, for a systematic approach, because it's important that you understand what kind of questions you need to answer to make sure you're not making any emotional decisions, okay? Every move you take needs to be clearly prepared. And yeah, then in the next chapter, we will talk about the most important part of this course, the trader's mindset and trading psychology. You need to understand that human nature works against us in the world of trading, and we naturally tend to do the exact opposite of what should be done if we want to make a lot of money in the markets. So you really need to put your head into this chapter and build up the mindset of a trader. Without building up this mind frame, you will not be able to make it in the long run. All right. So after we've built up your mind frame, you will learn my X-ray trading strategy. This strategy is based on institutional logic, and it will help you to ride the waves of the market with the big guys, the big banks, the big institutions and hedge funds who are actually moving the market. So you will learn how they manipulate the price to get their big positions in the market. And yeah, you will learn how to spot these manipulations, to get in and ride these moves with them. This chapter will change your life, that's for sure. So I suggest you to go over it a couple of times after finishing the whole course to make sure that you understand every piece of it, okay? And then in the next chapter, you will learn the rich split money management strategy that I've talked about already. This strategy can grow your account pretty fast because it helps you to catch huge risk to reward ratios while keeping your losses small. And yeah, in this chapter, you will learn another money management strategy as well called the formula, which is a high risk money management strategy that can grow your account pretty quickly as well. And then in the next chapter, I will show you one of my trade management strategies that will really blow your mind. This strategy has helped many of my students to flip small accounts like $100 accounts, for example, into more than $1,000 and more in just one single trade. I think the craziest flip I can remember from one of my students was flipping a $50 account into more than $4,000 in just one trade. And yeah, you will find his feedback here on this website as well. Just scroll down on the website of the Genius Trading Masterclass course. Watch Kevin from Detroit or Angel Guerrero. These guys are talking about their results, and it's crazy. It will definitely blow your mind. And yeah, this knowledge will change your life, I'm telling you. But you got to be very disciplined, especially with this loading it up strategy. And yeah, in the next chapter, you will finally get into our group chats on Discord, where you can connect with all the traders from our team. And you get access to my live trading channel, where I share all my trading decisions live with you when I'm trading, okay? And yeah, let me give you a quick sneak peek about what's going on behind the scenes of this group chat. You will find my channel in here. This is where I share all my trading decisions with you live. And then we have the price action channel, where our traders discuss some trading ideas and, of course, help each other. Yeah, and then you find the results channel here, where everybody is sharing their progress and failures to make sure everybody can learn from that, and of course to motivate each other. And then we have a channel for each session, where you can connect to traders who are trading the same session that you trade and exchange ideas and help each other to make money. All right, let's get back to the course curriculum, because the next chapters are really helpful. In the next chapters, I will show each and every trade that I took, that I've recorded to pass those funding challenges and get funding capital to trade with. That means I'll show you exactly how I've executed my trades and managed my positions and describe my thought process. These chapters will help you with real life trading examples and show you how easy it is to get funded with big capital, so you don't have to risk your own capital. And yeah, this knowledge will give you the shortcut to living the lifestyle of an independent trader, which is the ultimate goal of this training program. Then in the next chapter, I've put a lot of stuff for your bucket list inside, so you create the vision for your future and feed your imagination. I will give you a lot of ideas in there that will feed your motivation to live a legendary life and get shit done. And yeah, the last chapter is one of my indicator-based algorithm trading systems that you can use if you only have like 20 minutes per day. It's a systematic swing trading strategy that can help you to make some profits without putting any effort into it. And yeah, so that's it for now. I hope this video helped you to get an idea of what we're doing to make life-changing amounts of money in the financial markets. And maybe it made you interested to learn more about it and start a career as a trader. And yeah, if you have any questions, just feel free to contact me. I'm happy to help you get on top of the game. All right. Thank you for your time. I will see you inside. Take care, buddy. Peace.